timing of their children based on their own family life aspiration, taking into account psychological preparedness, health status, socio-cultural, and economic concerns. Parents Parents have great impact on their children and can make a difference in the lives of their children. So, ang parents daw, nakakatag daw nila kung ang impact sa mga children nga mahimo ka nila different sa ilang mga parents. Being responsible parent, therefore, requires that husband and wife keep a right order or of priorities, recognize their own duties toward God, themselves, their family, and human society. Importance of responsible parenthood. Number one is biologically responsible parenthood means an awareness of and respect to their proper function. The procreative faculty, the human minds discern biological laws that apply to the person. Number two, with regard to humans' innate rights and motion, responsible parenthood means that human reason and will must exert control over them. Number three is with regard to physical, economical, psychological, and social condition, responsible parenthood is exercised by those who prudently and generously decide to have more children. So, yun na sa characteristic of healthy families. Husband and wife should be strongly bond and focus not only to each other but also practices responsible parenthood. So, husband and wife, the ones na mag-iba na sila, dili na sila responsable or mag-focus sa ilang kaugalingon kundi sa sila anak sa ilang anak. Research reveals the characteristic of successful families. Families that excel in each of the problems, on the other hand, families that have difficulty in these areas tend to have more problems than remain unresolved. The following are the areas on which families should do well to be successful. Number one, atay problem solving. Kung gusto na nilo ka ng magkakaroon ng family, malinaw ka sa ako tayo.
Lah.
Number one
Paminaw,
is
Lennon og faith.
problem solving. Sa mga magsulpat ang inyong mga problema sa financial or sa problems and issues that confront the family do not have easy solution and they treated its ability to solve them effectively. Problems daw or mga issue nga nag-confront ka sa family kay wala daw ni sila nga wala ka na easy nga solution. Of a successful family has the ability to resolve problems on a reveal that maintains effective family functioning. So number two is effective communication. It includes clear and direct communication between the among members of the family. So kailangan ka na mag-include clear na kanang communication between sa bata or sa family members of the family. Families who can express their feelings to one another are better equipped to solve problems and face challenges as they arise. So, mas better kung kanang ikaw na bata ka, pwede ka mag-share sa imo isuon, pwede ka mag-share sa imo papa, sa imo mama nga yung problem. Mas better kung nga sila para kanang solve ang problems of face challenges. The ability to listen and pay attention to what they say are essential skills in effective communication. si
Sir.
Jack, like ikaw na ang maging mama, so kailangan mo mag-apply ng mga rules ng bata sa inside and out. Number 4, affective responsiveness. This is the family's ability to respond emotionally to other family members